If you don't know my name, let me introduce you to my numbers. Salespeople who complete my 9-week Leader's Choice program average $2.6 million in production. In addition to Leader's Choice, there's Leaders Elite, a one-stop resource that will help you grow, market, and stabilize your life as a real estate sales professional. Or take advantage of our newest offering, Leaders One-on-One Coaching. Take a look around at the different ways Mark Leader courses can help you find more success and balance in your personal life. And remember, life is a series of choices. I choose success, and so should you.